Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how I stretch my natural hair for a more fuller and voluminous look. This is a day 2 wash and go, and as you can see, I switched it up and did a middle part just so you guys can see the difference between stretched and unstretched. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, I'm just refreshing my hair with some water and picking it apart before I start the stretching process. You want to stretch your hair once it is fully dry from whatever style that you did, just to minimize the frizz. I personally like to use a blow dryer to stretch my hair, and what you want to do is put it on the lowest heat setting and only use it for a max of 5 seconds. So basically, I split my hair up into 4 different sections, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So you just want to hold your hair taut and then blow dry at the roots for around 5 seconds. Sometimes if it's not as stretched as I would like, I do go back over it, but again, no longer than 5 seconds, just to prevent heat damage of any sort. Once I'm done with that, I like to take my pick and pick at the roots. You want to ensure that you do not go all the way through your hair. Just pick the roots so that you do not disturb your curl pattern. And now I'm just going to repeat that same process with all the other sections of my hair. As you guys can see, there is a major difference in both sides of my head and how stretched one side is as opposed to the other. And now I'm just going to repeat this same process on the other side of my head. And now that I'm done, I just like to pick my hair some more if I need to, or pick apart some of the curls and separate them to make my hair look even bigger. So that is how I stretch my natural hair. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.